Ozo proposed to Nengi to be his girlfriend, as he says, "I want you more than anything in my life." Ozo tells Nengi.
I know you're saying baby steps, but you know me already. I've never been a baby steps kind of person. I want to jump, walk, and crawl at the same time. I want this thing more than anything. Like when I mean more than anything, I told you something yesterday when I looked at it about like caring about the people I care about the most in my life.
Big Brother Naija lockdown housemate also has told fellow housemate Nengi that he wants her more than anything. He however lamented that it seems the 23-year-old Bayelsa-born housemate does not notice how he feels about her. Also said he could do anything to win the heart of Nengi. He has constantly pursued his love interest since the beginning of the reality show. Nengi has said on different occasions that she wasn't in the lockdown house for any man, adding that she already had a relationship outside the house. Speaking to Nengi during a private conversation on Wednesday, also said, "I want you more than anything. I don't know if I'm to fly, jump, swim. No, I'm serious. I know I need this money, but I've never felt this way in my life." Guys, from the look of things, Ozo is truly deep in love with Nengi. But do you think Nengi is playing games? Because for me, I think she's playing games with Ozo's heart. Guys, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.